Ako during McGreeling yun. Ayun. So nabanggit ko na yung before, yung pambansang crush namin dito, si JC.
Ano ba?
Kasi ano siya, sabi ko yung talagang Pilipino yung dating. Yung mukha niya, wala naman ako sinasabi sa ibang lahi ganun. Pero yung itsura niya kasi very Filipino. Pag tingnan mo siya, parang napaka-humble, napakabait, gano'n. So yun po yung nasabi ko rin sa kanya before, sa McGreeling, na kasi nga, yun yung reason ko.
JC, ano reaction mo? At
Yung
saka
totoo.
parang pinag-arawang ni Sean din. Hindi.
Mix, are you confused?
Yeah. Ano na reaction mo sa sinabi?
I'm so happy na yun ang nakikita ng mga tao sa akin. Dahil since pumunta ako dun sa loob ng camp, dun sa bahay, gusto kong talagang ipakita kung sino ako. Mabait talaga, na caring. And I'm so happy every time na sinasabihan ako na yun ang nakikita sa akin. Sinasabi ko, yes, nagawa ko yung gusto kong talagang ipakita na ito si JC talaga. So, thank you kung yun ang nakita niyo sa akin.
Parang kay Mark Obrera.
Opo.
Kamusta na kayo ni Ate?
We are into this talaga, kailangan talaga namin ng more bonding, makilala ng bawat isa. Because we just met sa loob ng bahay in just 3 days. So hindi pa namin talaga kilala yung bawat isa. At saka talagang open ako sa kanya and naghihintay din ako ng tamang panahon para magka-bonding kami, makilala ang bawat isa. So yun ang stage pa namin ngayon.
Pakilala mo na ba siya sa pamilya?
Yes, of course. Sa first family ko, my daughter, my son, and my wife.
And for Joaquin, kasi parang tama ka, may parang pagka ina-admire mo, may crush ka kay Tori.
Yeah. At the time po.
Pero ngayon, wala na.
Oh,
Grabe
ngayon not as much kasi we've gotten to hang out as friends, ganun. So, parang at the time, parang I was really craving an intelligent conversation. Tapos when Tori came in, it was like we clicked agad in terms of music, in terms of like games. Din pala she has a gaming account online. So like, yeah, I just want to tell her how I feel na thank you for being here. And I really like you. Ganun. But now we're friends.
ano na lang yung equation of your life?
Sorry?
Equation of your life.
Equation of my life.
Equation that defines your life.
Of my life. Siguro, right now, wala pa. Kasi I'm just trying to test the waters kung ano man yung meron, what life has to offer me pa. So, ngayon, I'm still trying to find out.
Ano na reaction mo na inang evictions na napasa mo, hindi ka na-evict?
Sorry. Wait. Ako, I call myself always the nomination king. Kasi every single time that I could have been nominated, I was nominated. So, my game plan going in talaga, sabi ko, siguro I'm not your typical housemate, no? I'm not that guapo, I'm not that, attractive or whatever. Or I'm not that funny. I don't know. I'm just me. I'm just palaban. I just begged for my spot here. Sabi ko, I don't want to be nominated. Kasi if I do, ewan ko kung ano yung maging public perception for me. But then I got saved once, and then twice, and then 3 times. And I was like, okay, anong meron sa mga Ilonggo? Kasi si Myrtle Sarosa every week din nominate. And parang, yung reaction ko dyan was like, for me, I needed to really work on my personal relationships more. So I just wanted to do my best and make everyone feel happy and not make anyone feel bad as a housemate po. So yun.
Para ka naman kay Mark Bakwan. Nagpaalam naman ka siya. Para kay Mark Bakwan. Bakit parating maging siguro mo? Kasi during the swimming class week and sa military, bakit parating ka nagdadabo? Nagdadabo. Oo, kasi di ba
sa tubig po?
Nung military ka pa dun sa swimming class week.
It was the times at camp, the water exercise.
Aerobics
You were
po.
inside the camp, and then you kicked on the and then you do your things.
Yung sa aerobics po yun? Or sa military?
Sa military.
Sa So ito po, sinipat ko yung maleta po kasi siyempre nabiglaan po kami sa umaga. Get out! Get out! Grabe. Tapos sobrang sakit yung face ko. Actually, namamaga siya. It was swollen dahil sa ngipin ko po. It was really sore. I had toothache talaga. For 1 week straight na. I couldn't eat properly. I couldn't drink cold or hot. So, sobrang hassle talaga. Tapos nung sa Monday, syempre nabiglaan. So, tapos, pinaulit-ulit kami yung sa damit. Hanggang, syempre, nagpalit kami, tapos palit yung batteries. So lahat talaga was just all compressed. And nung nagpalit ako ng batteries, I'm so positive I took it from the new batteries. Pero paglagay ko sa lapel, naging low bat siya. So I thought, oh my God, I'm gonna have to make everyone change clothes ulit. Kahit it's not my problem, it's not my fault. Kasi I'm positive I took it from the new batteries. And then, so, naulit kami. So, nung tumakbo kami, kasi syempre double time po, and nagbukas ko yung pinto, naging stampede sa pinto. So, natamaan yung swollen face ko sa pinto. Natamaan talaga. Tapos, may konting galit ako syempre kasi na-stampede. So, may galit ako sa sarili ko at may konting galit ako sa mga kasama ko. Kasi, syempre, the stampede moved. So, I was just so mad at everything talaga at that point. Pero, they all calmed me down talaga, si Kuya Aljor, si Kim. They were like, chill, it's not going to help. So, yun lang po. I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry. Pero yun lang, that's what happened talaga. That's why, nainis talaga ako kasi everything was just too much now.
Mark, ilang beses kayo pinagpalit ng damit?
Yung sa umaga na yan po?
Oo. Tatlo ata.
Grabe po, siguro mga 5
5 times?
5 times talaga. Pero because of me, siguro mga 4 times talaga. I'm not scared to admit that po. Pero after nun, syempre I had to improve. Because I didn't want to. Because it's like what we learned talaga. If it's one's fault, it's everyone's fault. So anything that I do wrong has an effect on everyone. And vice versa to everyone talaga. So I really had to put my head down and focus. And yeah, that's everything from then improved na talaga. And there was less mistakes.
And grace under pressure.
And grace under pressure po, yes.
Okay.
Thank you din po.
Our next question will come from another influential blogger. Ito, she lost 15 pounds. Rather than Kate Adahar of Random Republica.
For the twins, kasi naging controversial yung dating, trending siya, actually. So, for Kim, how are you feeling nung nandun? And for Kim, ngayon, ano yung situation? Yung feeling mo nung grieving?
Honestly, yung normal po na feeling na may konting girot, pero mas parang umangat po yung trust ko kay Kim and sa samahan namin na nabuo. At yung sinabi din ni Kim, hindi ganong naka-apekto talaga kung ano yung pagmamahal ko sa kanya, yung pagmamahal namin sa kapatid. Kasi buong tiwala kong naiintindihan ko ano yung sitwasyon niya.
Ay, sorry, yung kay Thea, yung sinabi na ng Kim,
kay Thea po.
Yung kay Thea, sorry.
Okay. Yung sinabi po ni Thea, naiintindihan ko naman po. And kasi na-appreciate ko, di ba na-appreciate ko lahat sa camp, sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. At si Thea ay nagpapakatotolan din. Pag sinabi din natin nagpapakatotoo ka, does it mean na you are always good? Kahit na may mistake ka, you are being true to yourself. Lahat ng tao nagkakamali. At ang importante, mas natututo tayo sa mga pagkakamali natin. Kahit ako nagkakamali ako, nagpapasalamat pa rin ako kahit nagkakamali ako. Because I was able to learn and to para matuto ako and gusto kong may gustong mabago sa sarili ko. Every day natututo tayo at yun ang gusto kong mangyari. Gusto ko rin tulad kay Thea, may mga pagkakamali siya. Ako sa sarili ko, may mga pagkakamali ako.
Pero sa lahat ng nangyari po,